Great design, durable products, and experienced in-house tradespeople. These are the elements of a quality bathroom, renovated to perfection. Welcome to Independent Bath and Renovations. For over 3 decades, we have remodeled and recrafted the homes of our customers throughout the greater Edmonton area. If your bathroom is in need of an update, you have come to the right place. We offer custom cabinetry and unique storage solutions, handcrafted by us right in our own local cabinet shop. Whether you are looking for the perfect bathtub to soak in, or you're dreaming about a jetted tub with specialty lighting and aromatherapy, you will find them here at Independent. Visit our showroom to see well-designed showers with options like steam, body jets, and surround sound. And to complete your project, consider heated tile floors, mirrored cabinetry, and gorgeous fixtures. For stress-free renovations and beautiful bathroom products you can trust, we have everything you'll need, all under one roof. Call or visit us today to discuss your project. Inspired solutions, right through installation. That's Independent.